Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in Windows 11. There are a lot of methods that with it you can literally use the Copilot in Windows 11. One of them is through the web. As you can see here, for me without even creating an account, I can literally just go here, and as you will be seeing, you'll find your library here, imagine, experiment, and you'll find your shots. You can even find your project as you will be creating them in the future. And that's one of the 100 reasons or ways with them you can actually get access to Copilot. So the second way, that's basically the most professional way, is to actually install the Microsoft 365 into your computer. How do we do so? Simply just go to Microsoft Store, and from there look for Microsoft 365. It's very easy and very simple. Just search for it and you will find it. Once you download it, you simply have to go to Microsoft 365. So let me just type down this Copilot, and as you will be seeing, this is how it should look like. Here you will find the shots, notebooks, create apps, etc. Just a note that with this feature here, you'll not be able to use the Copilot chat for free. You need to pay for it, so you need to go for a plan, and you need there to actually buy one of their bundles, personal, family, or premium. Doesn't matter which one you pick, they all have the Copilot feature within them. So that's another way with it you can actually use the Microsoft Copilot in Windows 11. So the best one for me is through the web, because simply it gives you the access to the chat and it is one of the freest versions of it. Otherwise, if you do have the premium version, then it's better to have it in here, since it's gonna be downloaded in your system, and Copilot is from Windows, and basically it is gonna be helping you through looking through your files and a lot of things. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next upcoming video.